everybody. I wanted to show you what I got this year for some extra Christmas. I'm not really going all out and crazy, just kind of adding to what I already have. So I've got some things here that I purchased at several different places, and I'll try to tell you where I got each individual thing. Let's start with Big Lots. Big Lots, we got this Ninja Gingerbread cookie kit. My boys love competing, so this is something that they can do to have a competition with each other, just a little bit of fun right before the holidays. It only costs $5. This little Ninja cookie kit, so they should have fun with that. I also wanted to add some kitchen towels to the mix. I usually don't decorate for Christmas in the kitchen. So here are the little towels. It says Merry and Bright on it that I got from Big Lots, and it was $5. I got this little snowman wall decor plaque. It says, "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle." I also found this at Big Lots, this big wooden snowflake. We're doing kind of buffalo plaid theme, so this kind of goes with that. I also found this little sign, this little believe sign, also buffalo plaid. It was only $6. A lot of these are only like $5, $6, $7, and this has absolutely nothing to do with the theme. I just liked it. It's dashing through the snow, and it was only $5. So that was my haul from Big Lots. I got, let's see, the only thing that I got from Hobby Lobby were these Christmas ornaments. And everything at their store right now is half off, so I only spent $10 total on these. But these are glass. So I just needed silver, so we got those. Also went to my local Dollar General, and they don't really have the best things there, but some of the stuff that they sell there is pretty neat, and I can kind of work into what I'm doing this year. Found these little ornaments, only $1. One says Joy, one says Noel. They're very rustic, so that goes along with my theme. They have these snowflakes. They're plastic, but I'm hoping that I can kind of just make them kind of blend in with the tree. Just something extra. Didn't go crazy and get a bunch, just a few, just to sprinkle throughout. And they were all $1 a piece. They also had these down there. It's a runner, and it's got the red truck on it, also with the buffalo plaid. And I found a kitchen towel that kind of matches it. The towel was only $2, the runner was only $6. I also found this, which I really like. We're going to use this to put our firewood in by our wood stove. And I don't even remember how much it was only $6, and it is made out of galvanized tin, so it seems pretty sturdy. It's real cute. And also, to go along with the boys' gingerbread ninja cookie kit they got from Big Lots, I also got them this little village set, because we plan on doing a competition, and there will be a video for that. So that takes care of that. Let's see. Oh, in Walmart, I have a haul for that. I found these really cute ornaments there. They're ceramic. One says fa la 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 la, one says believe, and one says Mary. And they're kind of heavy, actually. And I found these cute little deer there too. It was $8 for them. And I found these cute little artificial little pine trees from Walmart. They're only $5 a piece, and I got them for our hearth. We're going to be putting those on our hearth. I got 2 of them. And the last thing I got from Walmart was this big old thing. This is one of those metal tree collars. And the one I have, it says Merry Christmas. I wanted to get something as plain as possible to go along with the theme, just in case next year I decide to not use buffalo plaid. And I felt like this would probably be the best thing to use, and it was $16.98. Okay, and later on in the video, I'm going to show you the finished tree and hopefully a recipe. Today I'm going to give you a quick little recipe for some really like comfort food type soup. It's called sausage Parmesan cream cheese soup. What you need to do is get your pan a little hot with some oil and go ahead and add your onion in. And cook that for a little while. Until they're just a little soft. Okay, next you're going to want to add your sausage meat. And what I did was I bought the mild Italian sausage that comes in the casing. And so I went ahead and took it out of the casing. And you just put that in the pan. And you cook this. You cook this until it's brown. Okay, the recipe calls for 8-ounce can of, let's see, pureed tomato. I don't have that, so I'm going to put in about half a can of some diced tomatoes and just say that I did. So that's what we're going to do there. And then I'm going to add up some tomatoes that it asked also to put in some, it said to also put in some fresh diced tomatoes as well. So we stir all that up. Okay. Okay, so now we've got our seasonings added. It was garlic powder, salt, pepper, and some Italian seasoning. I'm going to add, the recipe says to add a half a brick of cream cheese and a cup of chicken broth. So we got all that. And then we're going to stir all that together and wait for the cheese to melt. Okay. And now we're about halfway, pretty much 3/4 of the way through making this soup. All that's left to add is 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese and a cup of heavy cream. And then you just simmer it until it's just about about 10 or 15 minutes. I wouldn't say a full boil. It's just starting to boil. Okay, here's your finished product. Soup's all ready to go. Cheesy and Italian-y. And let me know what you think. Leave a comment below.